sneaker fam, welcome to Magic Lab, where sneaker cleaning meets science and a little bit of magic. Today, we're diving into how we can turn this into this. And we're only using this kit packed with a touch of magic alongside showcasing the Magic Lab technique. So, grab your sneakers and let's get scrubbing. First things first, remove the laces. And you want to remove the sole because you don't want those soaking up any more dirt. So now we grab our foam cleaner and our sneaker brush and we start cleaning the laces and the inner soles. And now we go ahead and grab the shoe towel and dry your inner sole and your shoelaces. Now, it's time to attack the sole. Now it is time to clean the midsole. Now this is where the real magic happens. This cleaning solution works wonders on stubborn stains. No elbow grease required. Now, it's time for the uppers. Remember, your uppers need some love too. Now, it's time for the tongue and the inner sock line. Remember, dirt loves hiding in the tongue and the inner sock line. So give them a good scrub and say goodbye to funky smells. Now for the drying. Use paper towel to avoid soap marks from resurfacing onto the material. Now, allow the shoe to air dry or fan dry in a well-ventilated area. And there you have it, your sneakers as fresh as the day that they dropped. Ready to bring the magic to your sneaker collection? Grab your sneaker cleaning kit today. Don't forget to like, share, and tag us with your sneaker transformations. Because every sneaker deserves a little magic.